Hey y'all, so Xavier here. So gonna do something a little different today. Going to react to the trailer. This is for House of the Dragon. Right. So I think it's based on the War of the Dragons, the new Game of Thrones spin-off series that's coming out. I did not actually. I've read all the books, and I didn't watch the last couple of seasons of the show because I just didn't want to. It veered away from the books, and then just kind of messed up for me. So it's like I didn't watch like the last couple of seasons, but I did watch like some of the final couple episodes. Yeah, it's kind of weird. I don't know why, but yeah, I did that. So and yeah, hot mess. But but this seems to be promising. I don't remember what happens, and I'm not gonna bother when the series comes out. I'm not gonna bother catching up on it like that. Just gonna go in with barely any remembrance of what happened, and just play it by ear. Right, so let's get into the trailer.
What is this brief mortal life, if not the pursuit of legacy?
I, Rickon Stark.
I, Corlys Velaryon. I, Ormond Baratheon.
Valerian Baratheon
To be faithful
Stark.
to King Viserys.
And to his named heir.
Princess Rhaenyra. Rhaenyra Targaryen.
Rhaenyra. Oh, Matt Smith.
Men
Who looks
will
nice.
put the realm to the torch
Very good.
and see a woman ascend the Iron Throne.
That lady's face, she looks familiar. That older lady.
We play an ugly game.
Dragon.
You have the determination
Ooh,
to win it.
yes, I remember him. I don't remember his name, but yeah. Oh, it looks like it's he played Daenerys' brother, Viserys. Is he playing another Viserys?
History does not remember blood.
Yeah, dragons.
It remembers names.
August 21, 2022. Damn. Alright. That looks very promising. Me gusta. Me gusta. I like it. Seems like we're gonna enjoy it. Looks fun on first viewing. So. But it's just a teaser trailer, so they're gonna put in the best bits and all that, but I'm looking forward to it. You're gonna be Targaryens against Targaryens, and then like the houses with their alliances and all that, so dragons, war. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. Looking forward to it. Can't wait. I'm definitely gonna be reacting to that, since I didn't get to react to Game of Thrones, but also Dragon. Yeah. Alright. So see you then. Bye.